comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. To grow young eggplants, I will first germinate the seeds. First, we find a suitable nursery pot, put soil in it, sow the required number of eggplant seeds, and spray water evenly to keep the nursery pot in a cool place. To prevent the plant from drying out due to lack of water, today I will use an automatic watering system using a plastic bottle and attached absorbent towel to keep the soil moist. Before planting, I will have to prepare the soil to provide long-term nutrition for the plant. I use worm castings mixed with soil to plant the plant. Worm castings not only provide nutrition, but also have high antibacterial properties, good metabolism, few bacteria harmful to plants, and are environmentally friendly. When planting eggplant, the distance must be 30 centimeters or more so that when the plant grows tall, it will not be crushed. At the same time, the water container must have 2 towel ends on both sides to provide water for 2 independent plants. The 10-day-old plant has good and beautiful roots. At this time, it is necessary to loosen the soil, remove weeds, and improve metabolism. To create the best environment and nutrition for eggplant to grow, I use chopped aloe vera and use a blender to puree and water the eggplant. Aloe vera has many uses when used as fertilizer for plants, helping plants grow healthily and increase productivity, stimulates root growth, and increases plant resistance. When the plant is 20 days old, I will remove unnecessary leaves at the base to help concentrate nutrients to feed the plant, and at the same time, pull out weeds so as not to take up nutrients and soil space. To maintain the best nutrition and help the plant bloom, I use worm castings to fertilize the plant. And don't forget to add water to the pot so that the plant always maintains the most stable humidity. To keep the tree from falling over, the roots will grow well and have the best metabolism. I will add more soil to each tree. The eggplant plant I planted only bloomed after 25 days. I still weed and cut off yellow leaves at the base of the plant to concentrate nutrients on the plant. The eggplant flowering stage is very sensitive to weather, pests, and insects, so I use 1 tangerine mixed with water and spray evenly on the leaves. Tangerine juice can remove mold, repel insects, prevent pests. Very good for plants and eggplants at this stage. And if you see that the amount of soil in the pot is lacking, you can add more to make the plant healthier. And now the tree has produced small fruits you can spray again with tangerine juice mixed with water, and add more fertilizer and water the tree to help the tree have enough energy to produce big fruits. It's great that now I can enjoy the fruits of my labor after 2.5 months. The eggplant plant has given me many large, beautiful fruits. Now I can prepare many delicious dishes for my family and give as gifts to friends. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.